What's happening, everyone? NeNe here with NeNe's Auto and Reviews. We out here at another salvage yard. Check out for some seats, or checking for some seats again. But see what they have out here to give you guys some content. This is my first time being in this yard. They got the salvage part over there for scrap.
And I'm thinking it really don't have to be.
Yeah, it don't have to be that specific. Yeah, I was gonna tell them it don't
even have to be for that.
For that, yeah, for that. It could be anyone. Because more than likely we're gonna have to like drill and, you know, put bolts and stuff in there anyway. So, you know.
Need a double seat.
Yeah, it don't matter where it comes. Shit, it could be, like I said, one that could fully recline. Y'all will check this Mustang out when we coming back out. Just to look in it. They have a lot more cars out here than the other scrap yard you guys seen I went to, or as I call them, junk yards. This one has way more cars. This is a whole lot bigger than the last one. A whole lot bigger yard. The previous one you guys see me at was obviously a smaller yard. This one, they have way more vehicles. Oh, hold on. Got a Lincoln Mark out here, 87. I guess they gave up. They had it for sale at one point. See the for sale sign in there, and I was like, I guess they just said, forget it. It was like, man, forget it. Now it's just been, looks possibly just being stripped of parts. Got a Ford. Those seats might, I don't know, might be too small. Oh, did I see a canal?
I gotta walk in front of me because I'm at the park.
Oh, really? Say that on my video? Oh, God. He nasty, y'all. Is there an old BMW over there? Yep. Still looking up, just grabbing stuff for content. Ooh, old school pickup, square body right there. Got an 86. Ooh, T-tops. Camaro over here. Dang, it doesn't even look bad besides the body. Look at that. Missing maybe a few things, but what the heck? Delmar Auto Sales. This was from a dealership. What the? Custom Deluxe. Seriously. Wow. I feel like this could have been saved. It's like solid. Jeez, they stripped this, didn't they? In the back. Seats. Somebody like left the door open. Close the door. Yeah, it's pretty messed up. The BMW doesn't even look bad. Like, look at this. Like, besides the exhaust. This door is locked. The seats look messed up, but it's missing the antenna. Yeah, June 12th, 2019. Wasn't it when it expired? Like, they literally just scrapped it just to scrap it. It's like it would start possibly. Are you serious? This thing this was expired. The tag expired 2019. It don't even look like this thing. Look, you can start it and drive it.
Is that theirs over there too?
What, that?
That yard over there. Or is that different company?
No, that's in here, so that'd probably be it. Theirs, possibly. Maybe. It's junk cars. What, you see something? Oh, we got a G35 sedan. I don't know, could be. It's been stripped, the doors and everything. It's got the key in here. Obviously it wouldn't, like, it's definitely not gonna start. There's no battery. This was definitely like a Copart type car, insurance car. State Farm insurance. Yeah, it was. Look, this was a Copart car. Wow. I knew it. As soon as I saw the key. Copart. Got a Cadillac. There's Impala over there. Cruise. I don't know. My pants keep sliding down. They got a truck, semi over there. They got any? See some of these big trucks over here. I see a Freightliner. About. Oh, they might use those. Probably park those there. Got a little Civic. That's Copart as well. Look at that, you guys. Copart. Where'd he go? My husband disappeared somewhere. This is the Honda section right here. You see all the Hondas over here. Do. People just leave the doors open and everything. Oh, jeez. This must have definitely been a flood car. Look at that. This thing was fully immersed in water. Ooh, bio. No, not touching anything in there. The Expedition. Where you? Where you going? We'll go over here and try the SUVs. Hold on, you guys, I'll be back. Maybe an Expedition seats could maybe work. Those back seats, maybe. I don't like touching stuff in cars. These, let me see if the doors, these will unlock. Let me see it. Maybe these back seats. There's, I mean, two, maybe. These are easy to take out, except for the hardware. Those sit up higher. Some of those are fixed in the vehicle. Let's look at this Expedition. What the heck is he in? Let's see the back seats in this thing. Is this a split seat? This has crap all over it. This seat could possibly come out. These are electronic. I'm gonna be back, y'all. You guys, I found another Copart car in the Iaai car right there. Copart car right here. This is a Accord. This gotta be a Honda Accord. Yeah, this is a Honda Accord. Another one right there. And then I just seen a guy driving one of the junk cars. It's like, sounds like it's gonna break down. He's driving a Honda. He must be trying to get that to fix up or buy for parts. I'm gonna ask him if they sell the cars in here. Cause some of these cars, like, look at that Expedition. Look, like you just slap wheels on it and it'll go. That old school BMW over there. Look, this is Iaai. This is Copart. It's funny, I'm like, do people just buy these and maybe they wreck them again or something, or they get them, take parts off, and then they send them here. I bet I got them from Copart. Ooh, somebody has a Magnum on the ground over here. All right, so this one kind of, I'm like, just have to, you know, this one has like the full, I think these probably like together, then that's the separate one. But they literally left all their stuff in there. Why would you have a wax burner in here? Okay. But this one, because I think these were, you know, kind of like how I took your seats out. You just take them up. That whole thing would come up. But then I think you'd have to take the floor. Like I said, oh no, because no, it's just the boat just kind of, sure it's probably the same way as this, where you just, the boat would just come up and then kind of screw down on it. The center, wish I could take this center thing. Geez, these people were filthy. Like, everything is in here. They got soap boxes. They must have lived in here. That center thing, but I don't know how that boat's down on the floor. Oh, they got the little TV thing in here.
That would be too low to the ground.
You think? Oh, you know what? Because we wouldn't need the bracket things. Is this, what about this semi? Is this? But it wouldn't, it ain't gonna have those double seats. We need like a,
You what now?
I was thinking that, but I was like, no, it ain't gonna have those seats. There's like a box truck. It's something that has like the floor brackets. We might just have to go to another one. They got anything interesting? Else interesting? They ain't had no box trucks in here. Ain't seen none. Maybe go to we can go. I guess we can go check Fitzgerald out again. If like anything there, we'll go to a different one. Yeah, I forgot because no, but they would be the same height as how your second row would sit because they got those legs. But it's looking for the one with the bracket plate, the navigator right there. What is that? Is that a box truck or just a box? I guess these are just theirs. Dang. After they got their exhaust on there, they done wrecked it out. Poor things. I wonder if the people just send the boxes in here. Like an Expedition. All right, you guys, it's gonna be the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Catch you guys on another one, but check that out real quick. Yeah, catch you guys on another video. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. We gotta look at this little wreck Mustang over here. What about this? Let's see if it's like in this. Probably way too low. Too low too. Oh, they got a Benz over there. Look at that crash Mustang. They got stuff inside the fence over there too. This is missing the whole door on it. No body damage though, other than back there. Got stuff over there in the fence. Pickup truck. Oh, baby. Hold on. What about this van? Maybe. I think it's too low. Oh, that's eBay. Don't touch, it says. So somebody already got that. Alright, you guys, now it's going to be the end of this video. We're going to go check out another one, so stay tuned for the next video.